If you're in California and want to check whether there's a warrant for your arrest, there are a few simple ways to do it. The state doesn't have one big website for this. Instead, warrants are handled by local courts and law enforcement. The easiest way is to check your local sheriff or police department's website. Many of them have online warrant search tools. You usually just need to enter your name. For example, in San Diego County, you can search by your first, middle, or last name. In Napa County, it's your first and last name. Another option is to check the website of your local superior court. Some courts let you search your case info online. Let's say you got a ticket and didn't show up. If a warrant was issued, you'll likely find it there. The Santa Clara Superior Court, for example, has a portal where you can look up traffic cases and see if there's a warrant tied to it. And if you're having trouble with the government sites, you can try a private website that pulls data from public records. These websites include California Court Records, Records Finder, Criminal Records, etc. That's it. Just make sure you check from a reliable source because ignoring a warrant won't make it go away. Stay safe and stay informed.